What's happening, guys? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, we got a big stash update to do, and I want to go over the Spirit of Speed show. At least the awards that we picked up over there and some of the cool stuff we've seen. Uh, it was a great show. This video's quite overdue. I actually had my daughter's wedding. My oldest daughter got married this past weekend, and we were up in Vegas, so I wasn't able to do any bids, any building. I did hit a hobby shop up out there. I beat everybody out there, and we made sure we went to the hobby shop. So we'll show you what we purchased over there. We'll show you some of the stuff that we won in Spirit of Speed raffle. We did make a trip to Andy's. I did buy some stuff there, and wow, we just got stash everywhere. I got to get it put away. It's packed. It's like growing up past me right now. So let's go ahead and turn this camera around and not look at this crap anymore. Let's look at this cool gold, plastic gold here. Come on, guys, let's go. All right, guys. Well, before we get started with this awesome video, I'm not going to let this negativity drag me down. We had a big accident happen in the shop a week or two ago, and the GTO that we just finished, I was getting ready to go to Spirit of Speed show, and I had that model sitting up in the very top shelf to my right over here, and it's about a foot over my head. So I went to grab it out of the shelf. It's one of those ones that open from the top or open from the front, and the GTO come tumbling down. It actually hit the side of the cabinet, hit the top of the 3D printer, hit the bottom of the table that was on, hit the cabinet over here, and then finally hit the ground in about 100 pieces. So we don't have that anymore. Like BG says, we nicknamed it the oh shit GTO shit, I think is what he named it. So anyway, that hit the ground, that got demolished. This is all that's left of the car that is salvageable. I mean, the top actually busted off the car, literally busted off, broke the front seats in half. I don't think there was a piece that was left on the engine. It was way beyond repair. So I guess what I'll start showing you is the stash ad. So you get to see this. First of all, before I show you this kit, there's a story behind that GTO. I built that GTO when I first started building. Okay, so I built it once, and it had all kinds of problems. And this is when I first started getting back into the hobby. So don't turn the vid off. I hope I don't bore anybody. So it's gonna get interesting. So I found that this GTO was warped. It was really warped. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to repair all that stuff. So I'm used to building basic models when I was a kid. So I ended up tossing it in the trash, and I never really got through that kit. It was probably the first cool paint job I ever did, and I threw it in the trash. This was like 15 years ago, maybe. So then I had an opportunity to jump into the GTO group build that Lucas C put on, and I said, you know what, I'm going to give it another try, and I built it, man. I really built it, and I built it up really good. The previous video, I think, or the one before that, you can kind of see the car, and I was really proud of this car, and I thought it was going to do very well at Spirit of Speed, and I think it would have. And apparently it never made it. So I decided that third time is a charm. So we were over there and we bought another one. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do this again. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go ahead and paint it the same color. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do the same. I know I'm gonna build it up again, and I'm not gonna drop it, that's for sure. So we're gonna give it another go. At least we got it on video that we finished it. Yeah, I was really proud of this car. I'm just so disappointed that we could not show it to everybody. So we'll probably be going the same direction, which I know we will. We'll Pro Street this one. And wish me luck, guys. Everybody else that had built this kit, I've seen a lot of the videos on this, stuff that really impressed me. And actually gave me ideas too. So I appreciate all. And everywhere that I've seen a build that I got an idea, I appreciate it. So thank you. So we're going to go ahead and do it again. And it will be coming up very soon, because I don't like to fail at things. So we're not going to fail this time. I mean, we didn't last time. I just failed at picking it up, I guess. So yep, we did buy another 67 GTO. So, and I am going to go in the direction of Pro Street. I did order another 67 Chevelle that will be here shortly. And we're going to go ahead and kill it, knock it out of the park. So we got one of these. So, yeah, I'm just as disappointed in all that too. So we did visit Island Hobbies, and I did actually buy that over there. It's a nice little hobby shop in Vegas. So if you guys are up in Vegas, check out Hobby Island is what it's called. Hobby Island. Check it out. The owner's really cool. Really nice shop. So we bought the GTO over there, and I am getting into painting stuff, and I like painting Warhammer. So I went ahead and got a Hive Tyrant from the Tyranids, and I think this is going to be something cool to paint up and get into something a little different. Take the channel off here and there in different directions. I can't wait to build this. I've watched a lot of videos of people building it and painting it, and I'm really getting excited to do it. So that will be coming up in the future. So what else we got over there, which I've seen this and I was like, wow, this is going to be a cool kit. So let me try to get this. There you go. A Ford Escort, okay? The Zack Speed GR number 2. I thought it was a cool kit, and I am digging this. I'm digging the direction this kit is, actually. So this is actually an Italy kit, and pretty cool little kit. Also, while we were there, I bought 2023 Selection Series Hot Wheels, the Kawabug A. I think that's how you would say it. And I thought it was pretty cool. He had it on display over there, and even it caught Susan's eye, and she was like, hey, we got to get this, you know, for the hobby room. So I thought this was pretty cool. I'm really into bugs. I like bugs a lot. These are pretty pricey, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in the box. Probably put it up and probably collect a few more of these. I have some put up here on my shelf that I collect. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So that's what I bought when I was in Vegas. Let me show you some other stuff. Okay, so they had a raffle out there in Pomona, and I won a few things. So actually I won a 63 Ford F100 short bed conversion kit. So I am gonna use this because the new ones are out, the new Ford F100s, and I want to use this on there. It's a pretty nice little resin retro kit from Best Model Car Parts. I also won a Terry Labonte NASCAR. What else did we win? I won a 37 Ford pickup street rod, and I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these, and I did. And we won another Mustang, so I gotta build one of these soon. Lots of stuff out there to aftermarket parts for those. So we actually won a 40 Ford, And I gave this to Susan because I already have one. I also have one of these, so I gave this one to Susan too. So this is an 85 Oldsmobile 442. Cool little kit. And I won a Volkswagen Bug. And I gave this one to her too because she thought it was pretty cool, so we let her have that one. She went and bought an a la carte, which I thought was a pretty cool one. So I'm looking forward to seeing her build this. These are neat little cars. Little show rod. I purchased the 70 Plymouth Roadrunner because I want to finish that USAC build. That's the only one I haven't finished. The Dart is coming out very nice, and it's coming along, and I'll do a video on that shortly. But I bought this for that build, and as I bought that, the next day we went out there, and I actually won one, so I guess Susan's gonna build one too. So I bought one and I won one. I was at Andy's, and I actually bought the Nissan Fairlady 240, the new Tamiya kit that I'm very excited about. Maybe we'll do an open box review of this kit. I think this kit is awesome. It's a full engine kit, I'm pretty sure. So if I remember when I seen this kit in Vegas, I seen it was a full engine kit, and I'm pretty excited about this. So I bought that. Stay with me, guys, because we got a lot of stuff. So I also bought some more Warhammer stuff. The Flesh Eater Quartz, the Crypt Ghouls. Those are pretty cool. I just love the paint, guys, so some more of those from the same series. I thought they'd be kind of cool to paint up. You can never have too many of these Ranchero kits because I get a real one. So, and of course, you know, when I see these, I pick them up. So this is a Trumpeter Ranchero, the 65 Ranchero. Dig this kit. I'm going to leave this one out because I do want to build one very, very soon. What else did we get here? I wanted to get some more large scale in the collection, so I bought another one of these. I have 2 or 3 of these now. This is the Cobra Shelby GT 427. I'm going to raise this up so you guys can see it a little better. There you go. I think I can do something cool with that. I want to 3D print some bigger engines and stuff like that, so maybe I'll do something really cool with that. And I bought another large scale when I was at the swap meet. Hold on, bear with me. I bought a 78 Corvette, so that I thought, hey man, I can turn that into like a street machine or something. And when I was in Pomona, one of the only things that I bought as a model, I think, was this one, the 11634 Ford. And I thought, you know, I got a good deal on this. I think I only paid like $30 or something, and he had it marked at like 50 or something. So now for the final piece, I got one of my Holy Grail kits. My Holy Grail kits. I've been wanting one of these, and I seen it on Deal or Scale Model, Deal or No Deal, and I said, I'm gonna pull the trigger. Yes indeed, the Don Nicholson Pro Street Pinto, Dino Don, the NPC kit. So I am super stoked with this kit. I've been wanting it. It's all there. I went out and bought new decals for it. I'm really excited for this. I've been wanting this kit for, man, 15 years at least, and I finally got it. So yeah, this is a lot, guys. I've got so much stuff. I've got odds and ends. I bought a bunch of flocking powder when I went to Pegasus up in Pomona, actually, when I went to that show. So I went to Pegasus. I bought a couple kits, and then I went to the show. And so here we got the awards here for Fast on Two Wheels. This is the Arnold Schwarzenegger, and the Fat Boy got second place. What else did we get here? Fast on the Street, I got second place with my large scale Porsche. And we got second place for the Street Rods, my 29 Ford. I got 3 seconds. There was some amazing stuff on the table. If you placed at that show, you should be very, very, very proud of yourself. There was some cool stuff over there. I actually went there and I didn't even think I was gonna place, and I'm being serious. I was like, nope, not placing here, and I was able to pull off 3 second place, so I walked out of there pretty darn happy. So, but that's all I have, guys. If you guys haven't had a chance, go to Spirit of Speed. It's an awesome show. It's usually in November. It's in Pomona at the NHRA Museum. And lots of talented, good builders are there. So if you want to meet people, learn stuff, that's the place to go. It's one of my favorite shows that we go to every year. That we go to Desert Scale Classics, and we usually hit the Vegas show up too. So some of my favorite shows there, guys. So that's about all I have for this video. Why do you watch this crap? I kept you guys here for 15 or 18 minutes or whatever it is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell. Check out Chuck's Hobby Spot on Facebook. Check out the podcast, the Scale Model Car Podcast. Check out Iceman Collections. Check out Scale Speed Garage. Check out BCG Resins, guys. Hey, you guys have a good week. We're going to end this video right here. You guys take care. Bye now.